WordPress course outline. Contact form. Search for form widget. The form widget allows you to create custom forms easily with drag and drop fields like text, email, drop-downs, etc. without coding. Here you can set input size. Here you can rename label or placeholder. Here you can show or hide required mask. Then go to buttons. Here you can adjust alignment of icon. Then go to style. Here you can adjust row gap. Here you can change text color. Now go to field. Here you can also change text color. Now go to buttons. Here you change background color or text color. Here you can see your form widget.